Go to Google, and then in the search bar, type VOA English Learning. Then push enter. Let's look at VOA English. At the top, you see Learning English. Then you see Test Your English, Beginning, Intermediate, Advanced. This is an American site, so it has US history. It's not good for citizenship in Canada. For LINC 1 and 2 students, you should try Beginning. If you click on that, you can see many videos. You can watch the video. This one is about 5 minutes long. And if you look down, there is a quiz. You can take the quiz and see how you do. Let's go back to the main page. This is intermediate. Intermediate is a little more difficult. I would say it's about LINC 3, LINC 4, or LINC 5. Sometimes there's even LINC 6 stories, but if you're LINC 3 or 4, try this. You can see I'm looking at health and lifestyle, and here is an interesting story. I want to click on that. This is not a video, it's an audio. It means you can listen to the story. You can also read it here. Do you see this highlighted word? It's black. There's a definition down below. So if we read, lots of reading. It's good. It will really challenge your English. At the bottom, there's a dictionary. So remember that word, physical therapy? Here's the definition. And then we can go down here more. And there's different stories. This is very good for your reading and your listening. Let's go to the start. If you want to challenge yourself, you can go to Advanced. This is for LINC 6 and above. However, you can still try it. For example, the Everyday Grammar section, it has lots of useful information about English grammar, and even if you're LINC 3, 4, you can try it and you will do well, as long as you study hard. In this one, you can learn about adjectives, for example, comparatives and superlatives, better than, brightest, that kind of thing. Here's a nice video. You can watch the video, and you go down, you can read. Lots of reading. There's another video, and then there's a dictionary. So there's lots to learn here. What else can you do? Here's words and their stories. If you click on that, you will find many interesting stories that you can read and listen to practice your English. How to pronounce? These are very good pronunciation videos. Some of you think that it's difficult to pronounce words in English, and you're right, it is. These are new words. It says news words. They are new words that you might see in the news. Some of them are LINC 3, 4, 5. There's a lot of variety here. Here you can see that I'm at the beginning level, so it's already given me some ideas. Here are some English podcasts. So these are audios that you can listen to, like the radio. Very good for listening. We have videos down here. These videos are in all of these sections, but you don't have to do any reading to see them. You can jump to the videos. All right. So this website is very good for listening, reading, and pronunciation. If you use this website every day, your English will improve. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.